Friends, everyone who is born in this world hopes to never die while alive, but we see that everything around us ages with time. Time affects everything from memories to inanimate objects, and death is an inevitable truth. Humans have conducted many types of research to become immortal, sometimes attempting to update DNA, and sometimes experimenting with old corpses, but so far, these attempts have failed. However, in this video we will learn about some creatures that are very close to immortality, and some that are immortal. Please stay with us until the end of this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we kindly request that you do so. Let's begin. Number 1. Planaria Flatworm. This parasite, found in water, is blessed with a tremendous ability to repair its body. If a planaria's body is cut into 2 pieces, the new piece will regenerate the whole body, including essential parts such as eyes, heart, and brain. Hardly any other organism has this ability. However, if their cells are dead, the flatworm cannot revive them. Another surprising thing about them is that they have both testicles and ovaries, and they release a secretion from their body, which reaches other planarians, enabling them to give and receive sperm, making them both male and female. They work together, and their reproduction process takes about a week, after which adult offspring are born directly from their stomach. Some of its species are asexual, while only some species reproduce sexually. Number 2. Hydra. Friends, Hydra is an animal that never grows old, but it is hunted by other parasites in large numbers, which prevents its population from increasing. It can die due to disease or hunting, and when any part of its body is damaged, it can remove and replace it with a completely new organ, much like replacing a damaged part of a machine. It has a tube-like body and tentacles, and is only about 10 millimeters long. It feeds on small aquatic organisms, and most of its body cells are stem cells. Number 3. Lobster. There is no limit to the age of lobsters, and they do not age with time. In fact, as they grow older, they become stronger and more fertile. In normal living beings, the ends of the cells in the body are protected by a layer called a telomere. When cells divide, the telomeres become smaller and cannot form new cells, leading to aging. However, a special type of enzyme is found in lobsters that continuously protects the ends of their DNA from breaking, allowing them to keep growing and prolonging their youth. Despite their immortality, they are being hunted in large numbers and are considered a rich source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. Some people confuse them with crabs, but they are actually different species. Number 4. Lungfish. When researchers studied lungfish, they were surprised to find that it is a fish that can survive for years without water or food. It can slow down its metabolism to a great extent, which gives it a sense of immortality. Lungfish is found in the forests of Africa, and when drought conditions arise, it buries itself in the ground until favorable weather returns. During this time, it remains in a state of suspended animation. If humans could harness this ability, it could solve many problems related to hunger and other important issues. The West African lungfish is a prehistoric animal that has remained almost unchanged for 400 million years, earning it the nickname of living fossil. It is the only species of fish that has 2 lungs and can take oxygen from the air. No. 5. The Wita bug. This bug is mainly found in New Zealand, but it has also been discovered in South Africa and America. The Wita bug resembles a mix of grasshopper and cockroach, and it has been present on Earth for 27 million years, as evidenced by its fossil records. In cold areas, when snowfall occurs, the bug covers itself under a sheet of snow, causing both its heart and brain to freeze and stop working to a certain extent. However, as soon as it returns to normal temperature and blood circulation starts, it becomes active again. The Wita bug has about 70 different species, which can be stored for months at a temperature of -10 degrees Celsius. It can even survive immersion in water for several days or boiling in hot water for some time. No. 6. Tardigrade. Also known as the water bear, This eight-legged creature is adept at surviving under any circumstances. Its specialty is astonishing. It can survive for 10 years without water, withstand temperatures ranging from hundreds of degrees Celsius below zero to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and more. The German zoologist Johann August discovered them in 1773 and named them little water bears. Currently, there are 1,300 species of tardigrade. No. 7. Immortal jellyfish. This species of jellyfish is named for its ability to become immortal. It has the ability to convert back into a juvenile as soon as it reaches adulthood, and it can do this repeatedly. It also has the ability to repair any injuries or physical disabilities with immediate effect, allowing it to keep its body alive indefinitely. Scientists have discovered that these jellyfish may have survived since the dinosaurs went extinct 60 million years ago. No. 8. Glass sponge. At first glance, the glass sponge appears to be a motionless and lifeless organism. However, after some research, it has been discovered that it is a very slow-moving creature with a body that resembles fur. Its body is composed of glass-like silica particles, and it lives on the seafloor, moving from the upper surface to the bottom to collect food particles. Although these creatures have been granted the gift of immortality, it is not possible for most things in nature to have this boon. If any species were to be granted immortality and increase rapidly in population, they would eventually be limited by nature itself. What do you think about this? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.